Welcome back, guys, it's Dad Tech. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sensu Video+ Baby Monitor 2. It'll give you breathing alerts, overheating and cold alerts. It'll tell you if your baby is flipped over on its stomach. It's got two-way audio and 1080p HD video and night vision. We already have the well-known Owlet Sock 2, which I'm really pleased with, so we're also going to see how this compares to that as well. Pretty good presentation, except for this plastic. It looks like it's been removed and then put back on. Alright, so here's the main sensor. So this is going to click onto your baby's diaper or their pants. And here's our 1080p video monitor. Looks pretty comparable in quality to the Nest indoor camera. So let's take off this plastic, everyone's favorite part. Alright, let's see what else is in here. And this is the base station. It looks like it's mountable. So the sensor is supposed to connect to this hub, and then this hub will connect to your smartphone using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I really like that it connects to both because I think that it's really important that a device like this has some redundancies and backups when it comes to sending safety alerts for your newborn baby. And here we're going to open up the last small box. So it looks like we got two USB charging and data cables, and our two power plugs, and a tiny little battery. Okay, so after testing this system, we discovered some things that you need to be aware of. For one, the sensor doesn't go on the outside of the diaper like they display in their videos. This bulky tab is actually supposed to go underneath the diaper, which I would have thought would have been pretty uncomfortable for our baby, but he didn't seem to care too much. The accuracy for this sensor was spot on when it came to detecting what position your baby was in, whether on his back or on his side, or getting an alert if he rolled over on his stomach. This alert can happen on the base station, on your phone, or both. Now, the temperature sensor was a couple of degrees off. I can still see how that would be helpful though, since you can just set it to send alerts when your baby's temperature changes too much from where it started. The breaths per minute feature was pretty cool, and the accuracy was spot on. This was the main feature I liked about this over the Owlet Smart Sock. The Owlet Smart Sock measures blood oxygen levels. I think that I'd rather get an alert the moment my baby is breathing abnormally before it got to the point where his blood oxygen level was dangerously low. The video quality on the HD camera was pretty impressive, and so was the night vision. I really like the 4x zoom and the two-way audio as well. I do wish there was online cloud storage for the videos, but you can view it live on the app and also record to an optional micro SD card. Now, the sensor uses Bluetooth, so it did disconnect from my phone sometimes when I went too far away from the room. However, the camera connects through Wi-Fi, so that you are able to view from anywhere. So for the sensor itself, this is more of a peace of mind at night kind of device. Not so much a lay your baby down for a nap and go to the kitchen kind of thing. Another thing I didn't like was that only one phone can pair to the sensor at a time. Not a huge deal, but it would be great for both my wife and I to have access to the app simultaneously. Now, since you can't legally claim that this prevents SIDS, but accurately monitoring your baby's vitals while they sleep can help prevent SIDS. Peace of mind, peace of mind, peace of mind. If you worry a lot, then let technology take a little bit of that off your mind and get some sleep. Overall, I'd say that the sensor is worth it. Just keep in mind that for the sensors to be able to send alerts to your phone, you need to be within Bluetooth range. Guys, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to be entered in to win my weekly Amazon gift card giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.